Today, we unveil the ultimate website maintenance checklist. Why does maintenance matter? Let's dive into the essentials, week by week, month by month, and quarter by quarter. Weekly maintenance. Update content for freshness. Run security scans for peace of mind. Check performance, optimize as needed. Monthly maintenance. Audit content for relevance. Verify backup integrity. Enhance security protocols. Quarterly maintenance. Comprehensive security reviews. Benchmark and optimize performance. Backlink analysis for SEO boost. Benefits of regular maintenance. Improved security. Enhanced SEO performance. Optimal user experience. Remember, regular maintenance is your website's best friend. Trust Value Coders for personalized website maintenance solutions at www.valuecoders.com.